Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to making dal with fish curry. Okay, I prepare here everything. I have fish, okay, tomato, onion, garlic and ginger. I already boiled my dal. Okay, now we just start first fried fish. Okay, we make it fry. Okay, too much. First we make it fry the fish, very less oil, no need to too much. I already marination with salt. Okay, and then if we make fried properly and then we make again masala for the dal. Okay, and then we make dal, also we put this fish in the dal. Okay, now guys I flip again. Okay, and then I will start my dal. Okay. How is this fish? Then only fish is nice. Now guys, we need to flip again. Our fish becoming ready. We will start making our dal fry. Okay, put oil first, and then okay, onion. Then after we will put our garlic and ginger. Okay, and then we put tomato also. Now I put the lid for a few minutes. Okay, after 1 minute we open this one. Now guys, we need to mix our onion. Yes. If you close the lid, onion becoming very fast and caramelized. Okay, just I am going to send like steam. I want to put salt also first. I put salt also. Yes. Now guys, I want to put garlic and ginger also. We add. Now guys, we just mix it. Okay, and then we put the tomato also. When our ginger and garlic also becoming fried, Now guys, we add our tomato. Okay, and then I will close for few minutes again. Okay, when they are coming in there, then we will open. Now guys, we need to mix it. Okay, yeah. And then we close again for a few minutes. They are not ready properly. We close for 1-2 minutes again. Oh, almost our taste is done. Yeah, it's ready. Just we need to put some water and then we close again for few minutes. Only 1 minute. 1 minute is enough because this is already done. Okay. Now guys, we need to add masala. Okay, powder. So I put 2 spoons this one, mixed powder, and then some turmeric powder, not too much. Okay, yeah, it's enough. Then we need to mix again, and then I have already boiled water. I put boiled water some. Enough. Once this water becoming dry, then we put our dal and fish together. Okay. Then our fish curry is ready. Now again I close for only 1 minute. Now guys, yes, this is done. Okay, now we add our dal. See, this water already dry. When you see here on the side oil, your food is becoming ready. Okay, now we need to add our dal with this water also. Okay. Just we need to mix. Okay, and then we close again after we put fish also. Only for 1 minute. Now guys, we need to add our fish also. You see, yes, our dal is ready. Now we are going to add our fish. Bismillah. Wow. Now we again close. Only for 1 minute. After 1 minute we just mix and then ready. Now guys, we need to mix it. Yes. Done. Now we turn up our fire. Okay, again we close until becoming fire cold. Now guys, we are going to eating our food. Bismillah. Bismillah. Yeah. Bismillah. See guys, very nice, huh? Thank you so much. Thank you guys. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please don't forget subscribe, follow and share. Thank you so much. See you next time.